Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any videos. Speaking of waiting, the TV personality Somizi Mhlongo Motaung has said it all. The star boldly stated that he will never leave his partner no matter how much he gets cheated on. As many as 75 times, I would not leave. Instead, I would forgive 75 times, stated Somizi. Strong words from Somizi right there, for we all know Somizi is a good advisor. The media personality said this shocking statement on the latest episode of Metro FM called #AskAman. The topic was of cheating, and that's when Somizi added his precious words to say he would not leave because he is not strong enough to do so. Again, he stated saying, "Gay cheating is like rugby finale. The man who wears many hats says he would rather get dumped instead of leaving." In other words, Somizi was saying you can't date someone for more than 5 years and expect them not to change. People are meant to change and evolve. If you decide to stay, that's your cross to carry. It sure does make sense to me. I don't know what you think about what Somizi said. Drop your comments down below and keep this in mind. Love you.